The blood vessels part 3.
Let's take a closer look at the different characteristics of each type of blood vessel. The arteries, let's look at that first. The arteries have 3 layers of muscular tissues, and these tissues are thick, smooth, and elastic. If we take a look at the vein, they also have 3 layers of muscles, but these muscles are thinner, but still they are smooth and elastic. Now, what about capillaries? Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in our body. So the walls of the capillaries actually are only containing a single layer of cells. Now, this is very, very important. In fact, we use this particular characteristic to identify capillaries from all other kinds of blood vessels. What is a lumen? Let's take a look at lumen. Lumen, I tell you, only in bio, then we even have a name for a hole. What is lumen? Lumen is actually a hollow halfway through which the blood flows. So we are actually talking about the emptiness and the empty tube that is inside all that muscular layers that form the walls. So the lumen of the artery tends to be small, and that's because the walls are so thick, so of course the space in the center will be small. Veins, on the other hand, for the same reason, now you can see why they have a large lumen. They have a large lumen because the walls are thin. What about capillaries? Well, capillaries are such small blood vessels that they can fit in between cells in our body, and because of that, the blood vessel capillaries are so small already that we really don't find it very meaningful to talk about how large or how small the size of the lumen of such small blood vessels are. So we don't talk about that at all.